Hello to all. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic of chapter polynomial. I will tell you a very simple method to identify signs of A, B and C from the graph of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. To identify the sign of A, we have to first see whether the graph of equation, that is a parabola. You all know that graph of the quadratic equation is a parabola. If it is opening upwards, then the value of A is greater than 0. That is, A is positive. Okay. If it is opening downwards, then A is less than 0. That is, A is negative. Now we will know about the sign of C. The sign of B we will be discussing later. To find the sign of C, we have to see where this graph is intersecting y-axis. If it is intersecting on the negative axis, like here, negative axis, niche ko, then C is less than 0. That is, C is negative. If the graph is intersecting on the positive axis of y, then C is positive. C is greater than 0. C is positive. Hope you have understood about the sign of A and C. I'm going to repeat it. If the parabola is opening upwards, then A is positive. If parabola is opening downwards, A is negative. If the graph is intersecting positive direction of y-axis, then C is positive. If C is negative, then graph is going to intersect negative direction of y-axis. To understand the sign of B, we will discuss first about vertex of the graph. In the vertex of graph is, if it is opening downwards, then it is the highest point on the graph. If highest point on the graph. If it is opening upwards, it is the lowest point on the graph. Also, you can remember like this, at the vertex, the direction of parabola changes. The direction changes. The direction changes. We are concerned with x coordinate of vertex. We don't require this one to find the sign of B. Now, if the vertex lies in first quadrant or fourth quadrant, it is going to be positive. If the vertex lies in second quadrant or third quadrant, it is negative, negative, negative. Here it is positive, positive. Or you can remember like this, if the vertex lies towards right of y-axis, it is positive. If it lies on the left-hand side of y-axis, it is negative. Okay. Now, in this graph, the vertex lies in first quadrant, that is towards the positive. direction of x-axis on the right side of y-axis, then minus b upon 2a is equal to positive. In this case, a is negative, as we have already discussed. Therefore, minus b upon negative, a is negative, is equal to positive. Now, negative into positive is negative, or you can cancel negative sign here. That is, b is positive. So, b is greater than 0. Okay, I repeat. First, we have located the vertex. It lies in first quadrant. Therefore, minus b upon 2a is positive. Here we have discussed a is negative. Now, a negative, negative negative cancel किया, तो b पॉजिटिव बच गया. तो b पॉजिटिव का मतलब क्या हुआ? b greater than 0. We will continue with more questions on the graph. If you're liking the video, then like it, share it, and hit the bell icon so that you can find more videos in the coming days. Okay, let us do some more questions. Now, applying our knowledge, what we have learned, first we will identify the sign of A. The parabola is opening downward. So A will be less than 0. That is, A is going to be negative. The graph is intersecting on the positive direction of y-axis. So C is positive, C greater than 0. Now we will find vertex in the first quadrant. So minus b upon 2a is positive. Here we have a as negative upon negative is equal to positive. Cancel this. So b is positive. तो आंसर क्या आ गया? a less than 0, b more than 0, and c greater than 0. Hope you have understood. Let us take some more problems. Okay, next question here. First of all, the graph is opening downwards. So A is less than 0, A negative. The graph is cutting on the negative direction of y-axis. So C less than 0. C क्या हो गया? Negative. The graph lies in this one. Third quadrant, minus b upon 2a less than 0. That is minus b upon 2a नेगेटिव हो गया, पर a क्या है? नेगेटिव. तो माइनस b अपॉन नेगेटिव इज इक्वल टू नेगेटिव. नेगेटिव नेगेटिव कैंसिल, b नेगेटिव. आंसर क्या आ गया हमारे पास? a लेस देन 0, b लेस देन 0, c is also less than 0. Next question we will take. हाँ जी बेटा, सबने ट्राई किया क्वेश्चन? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन तो मेरे से मैच करो। अब इस क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे। In this question, the parabola is opening downward. So as we have learned now, a is less than 0, that is a is negative. The graph is intersecting negative direction of y-axis. तो c क्या आ गया हमारा? Less than 0, c negative. The vertex lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant में x coordinate positive होता है, तो minus b/2a is positive. a नेगेटिव हमने निकाला हुआ है, यहाँ वैल्यू पुट करते हैं, माइनस b/नेगेटिव इज इक्वल टू पॉजिटिव. नेगेटिव नेगेटिव कैंसिल, तो b आ गया पॉजिटिव. आंसर क्या आया? a लेस देन 0, b पॉजिटिव है ग्रेटर देन 0 और c लेस देन 0. ओके, we will continue with more questions. Okay. In this question, again the parabola is opening downward. a क्या हो गया? Less than 0, that is a is negative. It is cutting positive direction of y-axis, c greater than 0, c positive. Vertex lies in second quadrant, therefore minus b/2a is negative. a is negative, let us substitute the value. Minus b/negative is equal to negative. नेगेटिव नेगेटिव कैंसल, तो b नेगेटिव आ रहा है. तो आंसर क्या आया हमारा? a लेस देन 0, b लेस देन 0 एंड c ग्रेटर देन 0. इजी लग रहा है? नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. In this question, parabola is opening upwards. a greater than 0, that is a is positive. It is cutting positive direction of y-axis, c greater than 0, c positive. The vertex lies in fourth quadrant, so minus b/2a is positive. a पॉजिटिव है, वैल्यू पुट करते हैं, माइनस b/पॉजिटिव इज इक्वल टू पॉजिटिव. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? माइनस b इज पॉजिटिव. यहां पे ध्यान देना बेटे, माइनस b पॉजिटिव है. इट इज पॉसिबल ओनली, कब पॉसिबल है? व्हेन b इज नेगेटिव, तभी पॉसिबल है. नेगेटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव तभी बन सकता है अगर b नेगेटिव आएगा, नहीं तो बन ही नहीं सकता. तो b इज नेगेटिव आएगा इसमें. तो आंसर क्या आएगा? a ग्रेटर देन 0, b लेस देन 0 एंड c greater than 0. We will take next questions in our next video. I will come with more informative videos. If you're liking the videos, then share it to your friends. That will encourage me to make more videos for you for your coming examination, term 1.